I, Thomas, promise to help Gordon with a very important job. Help me get to Knapford Station to find out what it is. Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to the square with the matching color. Super! Super awesome! That was a blast! What type of wagon should we pull? Absolutely! Just that's the way! Only the boldest of engines will try Cannonball Curve. You can help us steer through the sharp curves. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Swipe super!